I texted him, and then he said he went home and he watched the cameras and he watched me.
Now back to your regularly scheduled program.
We want to sign a lease with you that is commensurate and reasonable for a laundromat space and give you a rent check for 15 years. That total amount could be $300,000. Dribs and drabs in the form of rent checks over the next 15 years. But I must ask again, what is that reasonable rate? What do you want to collect? What's the square footage of the building? How big is it? The laundromat space only.
It's 1,400.
Very, very small space. 1,400 square feet. Okay. But for a laundromat, I prefer 2,000 square feet and larger. I can survive with this footprint. You can't build a McDonald's in a walk-in closet, Stefan. We both understand that. I can survive in Midlothian, Illinois with 1,400 square feet, but it's difficult. So that changes things. I can survive. How many washers do you have now? How many washers are plugged in?
Right now, I have all the machines, washer and dryers is 51. And just washer, I have, let me see, just washer, it's 5, 11, 1 second, 5, 11, 15, 21, it's 30 washer and 21 dryers.
Are you standing in the store right now?
No, I'm not in the store right now.
Okay,
I'm home right
just
now.
going over it in your head. And don't forget, I want to skip ahead a little bit, Stefan. At the end of the day, what I'm also offering on top of that, you said it yourself, you're tired. What I'm offering on top of that, walk away, collect a rent check. Maybe in 2 or 3 or 4 years, you decide, you know what? Being a landlord here is better. I'm going to collect that rent. Why am I calling you? Why am I intrigued by this space? All it's taken me so far is 20 minutes of my time, okay? Why do I want this space?
Well, I don't know why you want that space. Maybe you like that space.
Fair enough. Your answer is simple. I don't know, Danny. Let me tell you. The infrastructure, Stefan. I'm interested in gas, water, and electric.
You are going to run the store with my machine there, or you are going to buy the business?
Not looking to offend. The equipment that's in there is junk.
What do you say now? Are you going to buy the business or no?
This guy has totally changed his tune since last week. I muted him.
Hello?
No, I'm not looking to purchase the business at any price.
Hey, why you want just to rent that?
I'll give you $300,000 over the next 15 years in the form of future rent.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.